So we're trying something new today. We're all the way in Ibiza. I will get to experience the other side of the camera and I will share with you what I take away from being a model as a photographer.
Dario got some new glasses here from a brand that we're shooting for. So we're gonna snap a photo of this. Give me your best shot, baby.
I have no idea. So we got a little change of plans. Jonah just retired as a photographer. We got Natasha shooting me because she has more advice to give me from a styling perspective as she's a model herself. You might have seen her in one of the previous POV photography videos. So Natasha started shooting from the same frame that Jonah had already built up. And the first thing she did was styling myself, putting my hair well, adjusting my head, the sunglasses and stuff like this. Because of this, we wouldn't have any surprises later on reviewing the pictures with messy hair or other styling issues. Great tip from Natasha. Then as we were shooting, she came up with a lot of suggestions or movements for me to do, which really put me at ease. On top of that, she was communicating in a very calming, soothing voice. This wasn't only signaling control from her end, but it was also creating a safe environment for me to experiment my poses in. And I mean, look at these results. The sun is going down, so it's time to change outfits very fast. We got a second outfit prepared, so I don't need to think about it. The second outfit is based on the second pair of sunglasses. There we go, shirt as well. The most important thing is still missing, which is of course the second pair of sunglasses. I'm also gonna change my hairstyle to get a completely different look. So the first outfit was a bit more dark, a bit more moody. This one is a bit more disco style, I would say.
Now for Dario, we will shoot a little bit more the orange background, because that really matches his yellow glasses and orange outfit that he has. So we will go for the rocks as the background more.
So after we made the single portraits, Jonah decided to shoot some double portraits of Natasha and myself. And he didn't just do this to camouflage the lack of my posing skills, but also to create some variation in the shots for the client so that they would get a wide variety of shots showcasing these sunglasses. For the double portraits, Jonah advised me to look away from the camera. This generally works well when you're shooting a male model. Why? Because it gives a very confident and manly feeling to this person. On the other hand, he instructed Natasha to look directly into the lens because this creates eye contact, and making eye contact also comes with making a connection. Let's check out the pictures. And it goes as fast as that, ladies and gentlemen. We're wrapping up the shoot as we are running out of light. So it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful place. But before I leave you guys, what did I take away from today's shoot? That communication is very important. A photo shoot is a two-way thing. So the photographer and the model need to communicate with one another. For the model, this can be what they are comfortable with, knowing their strong poses. And for the photographer, it's very important to communicate what type of shot you are making, so the model knows which body parts to focus on and how the model will be framed in the shot. So do keep in mind, communication is key. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dario, and as always, ciao ciao, bye bye.
Gonna take a group shot. Gonna take now